Hygiene, quality, technique and theatre. If you're serving tea for someone that you perhaps haven't met before, someone that you don't know, choice is what it's all about. Give them the choice. Some people like to take their tea with milk, without milk, with a sweetener, without a sweetener. So what I try to do is provide everything they could possibly want. So, skimmed milk, semi-skimmed, full fat, but they might be vegan or vegetarian. So, soya milk, oat milk, or almond milk, with all the necessary jugs and serving implements that you need. If they want sugar in their tea, well, we've got everything from dark muscovado to white sugar lumps. We've got brown sugar lumps. We've got golden granulated. We've got demerara. We've got, of course, plain white. We have Greek. We have Manuka. We have 3 other different types. We have 5 types of honey, 6 types of milk, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different sorts of sugar, 2 different types of tea, and you will have asked them if they have a preference for tea anyway. So 2 different types of tea, we're ready to serve. And with a good assortment of biscuits, that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you make and serve tea. Cheers.